First thing we need you to do in setting up your Keep It Simple CRM is submit step 1 of the onboarding forms. So you'll click, and the task title, you're just going to simply put CRM business information, right? Our system will automatically format this to what we need it to be. So if for some reason you don't get it right or you submit it and it's incorrect, not a big deal. Our system will automatically set it up. And then you're going to click a category and you're going to click business information. So your business name is the business that you're doing that is on your LLC, Articles of Incorporation, or on your tax ID. If you're not incorporated as an LLC or a corporation, simply put your first and last name here because we'll have to register you as a sole proprietor. This form is for us to set up your account, purchase your phone number, get the phone number A2P compliant so you can legally send text messages and make phone calls from a software. Put in your legal address. This address isn't anywhere public, but we will put it inside the CRM so that everything is set up properly. Again, if you have an LLC or corporation, make sure you click here. If you're a sole proprietor, so you don't have a tax ID and you're doing business as yourself, just put sole proprietor here. The local area code, this is an area code that will try to find a number that matches that specific area code if you have a preference. Give us your domain. This website domain doesn't have to be active. You just have to have it purchased somewhere. It can also be attached to a current website. If you would like us to rebuild the website or redirect to a website, just put whatever domain that you currently have. We won't be changing anything until you're approved, but this will give us an idea of how to set up the account. Then if you're not filing as a sole proprietor and you're an LLC, corporation, or something else, what we need is your tax ID form SS4. You should have got that, went from the IRS, one you submitted for the tax ID itself, and then your Articles of Incorporation, and you can get that from your state. Typically, you can log into your state account and download that if you haven't already done so. The reason why we ask for both of these things is whatever you put here for your name of business, when we submit it, it has to match exactly what the SS4 form and the Articles of Incorporation match, because that's what the IRS and the federal government has on file for your business. And if for some reason one of those things does not match, then it won't be approved and will delay you being able to use your CRM for text messaging and phone calls. If you have any questions on this, any concerns, feel free to message us. But again, if you don't have a corporation or an LLC or tax ID, just put your first and last name here, your personal address, sole proprietor, still fill this stuff out, and then you do not have to submit anything there, and then simply hit submit. Again, if you have any questions, just let us know.